Today I'm making pan de elote waffles. Earlier this week I showed you how to make pan de elote, or sweet Mexican corn cake. While I was finishing that up I had another idea and thought I'd make a short video on it. Into a blender I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 3/4 of a teaspoon of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and blending until smooth. Next, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of corn, I'm using frozen today, and pulse until you get a smooth yet slightly chunky consistency. I'm transferring this to a measuring cup and mixing in half a tablespoon of chopped pecans. This yields about 3/4 of a cup of batter, which will give us 3 waffles if you have a mini waffle maker like mine. Into a hot and oiled waffle maker, I'm pouring in about a 1/4 cup and smoothing it over with a rubber spatula, closing it and letting it cook for about 2 minutes before flipping and cooking another minute or 2. To serve, I'm stacking my waffles and once again plating with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and a drizzle of caramel. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.